Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers one by one. Let us get started. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.